The Ninja Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 air fryer is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking quickly and efficiently. Before we dive in, the link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience. This air fryer features 2 independent baskets, allowing you to cook 2 foods at once, in 2 different ways. This eliminates the need for back-to-back cooking, unlike traditional single-basket air fryers. Imagine cooking your main course and side dish simultaneously without waiting. One of its standout features is the DualZone Technology, which offers 2 incredible options: the Smart Finish feature, which ensures that both foods finish at the same time, and the Match Cook button, allowing you to easily copy settings across both baskets to use the full 8-quart capacity. The 6-in-1 functionality of this air fryer offers a range of cooking options, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It's perfect for various recipes and ensures that you have the flexibility to try something new every day. Plus, the baskets are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. With its XL 8-quart capacity, the Ninja DZ201 can handle making meals for the whole family. You can fit both the main and side dishes at once, or cook up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, making it perfect for quick, family-sized meals. The 2 separate 4-quart heating zones provide better control, with each zone featuring its own basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. This technology helps ensure that the heat is evenly distributed for perfectly cooked food every time. And when it comes to cleanup, the Ninja DZ201 does not disappoint. The easy-to-clean baskets and crisper plates are both dishwasher-safe, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Another great benefit of the Ninja DZ201 is its ability to cook with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying methods, giving you healthier meals without compromising on taste. If you've been looking for an air fryer that offers speed, versatility, and large cooking capacity, the Ninja DZ201 is your answer. Its advanced features and easy operation make it ideal for anyone from beginners to seasoned cooks. Don't miss out on the convenience and health benefits this air fryer provides. For the latest price and more details, be sure to check the link in the description below. This Ninja Foodi air fryer is the perfect kitchen appliance for anyone who values speed, convenience, and versatility. Happy cooking!